Well, hello there. Is your hair dry, brittle, shedding? Are you having trouble retaining length? Is it upsetting you and your homegirls? Because if you can't have healthy hair, then what the hell can you have? Well then stay tuned, because this is the video for you. Hey guys, Courtney Cashmere here. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time visiting, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, because I would love nothing more than to see you here every Friday at 12 o'clock, because that's what time I'm posting my new videos. Today's video is all about protein treatments. I'm going to show you guys how I use my favorite one, the AphoG Serious Care and Protection 2-Step Protein Treatment. I hope I'm getting it in focus because I'm not really too good at this. And I'm going to follow it up with my Balancing Moisturizer, same brand, also AphoG. If you guys can't see this, I'm going to link everything below, so don't worry about it too much. And if you guys don't know, you should be using a protein treatment no more, no less than once a month. It protects from damage, helps prevent split ends, and it heals brittle hair. Who wouldn't want that? So I'm going to jump right in. I'm going to go ahead and wash my hair and then show you guys the steps on how we use these, just so you can see the immediate difference that it's going to make for your curls. So stay tuned. Alright, so we're back. I'm fresh out of the shower with freshly washed hair. First things first, I'm going to go ahead and read the directions to you guys. Number 1 says, gently cleanse hair with AphoG shampoo for damaged hair, rinse thoroughly, towel blow dry. I'm not going to lie to you guys, I did not use that shampoo. I used my regular shampoo. And if you want to check out my wash day routine, I actually will link that right above for you guys. So we're going to go right to step 2. Apply enough AphoG treatment to thoroughly saturate and comb blend through with a wide tooth comb for even distribution. Wide tooth comb here. First, I'm going to make sure my hair is pretty dry, which is why I have my microfiber towel here. Now, I will recommend when you guys do this, you do it with a shirt that you don't really care about, because if you get any on your shirt, it kind of smells a little vinegar-like, and it's going to make your shirt hard. Now, it's not permanent when you wash it. Obviously, it comes out, but I wouldn't do this on a shirt that you're going to wear out.
The directions do, however, specifically state that you should not use a shower cap over your hair while you do this, and your hair should not be agitated while it's drying. Once your hair is stiff as a board and dry, it's time to rinse thoroughly. Step 5 is to apply AphoG Balancing Moisturizer to hair and scalp. Leave on for 2 minutes, then rinse thoroughly. However, I like a little bit of extra added moisture, so I'm going to sit under a heating cap for about 10 minutes before I rinse.
Alright, so my hair is now 100% dry. The only thing I did that I don't usually do to my hair, and I know I told you guys I don't, but I decided to try something different, was pick it out. I just wanted a little bit of volume. I was kind of getting bored of my flat hair. But yeah, I don't know if you guys can see, I hope you can, like how defined my curls are now. My hair feels 100% better. Honestly, it was super dry before. I think the Balancing Moisturizer kind of helped me out with that. Now it's kind of fluffy, bouncy. My curls are back. They were kind of stretched out and looking crazy, but yes, ladies, protein treatments. Anyways, thanks so much for watching, guys, and I will see you next time.